Hello everyone. I just wanted to do a quick flip through because I had promised that I would kind of show the Easter little mini journal when I had finished adding the ephemera to it. So I wanted to go ahead and do that right now. So this is made all using our fun Easter printables. I'll link them below if you want to try to do these. And there's several videos of different ephemera that I made in here that I just had a lot of fun with. So I wanted to just do kind of a fun flip through since I changed things up and added some other things. So I added this fun little wax seal. We did this part together on a previous video, but I added in that seal. So I'm just going to kind of flip through. We have a pocket with a journaling card here. This is one of the fun little flip out journaling spaces that I made on a video. We have a few of these in here, and this one I made a side pocket as well. Added some layering just for fun. We have this, which is a journaling card in a pocket, and just added some fun little bits and pieces. This is just a journaling spot. I left it just like that so that you could open and journal. This is also some writing space, or you could add more if you wanted. This is 2 layered pockets that you can just journal on or add pictures. This is another one to add a picture to use as a mat. Journaling card. This is one that we did on a video with several of these. So they're just multi-pockets using regular weight paper that's double side printed to get kind of a fun layered effect. I have another little envelope with a journaling card in there, and I just used a circle for a corner tuck, and we turned this fun thing into a belly band with a tag. And some more journaling spots here. Journaling. Here's one of these that we made a video of. These are super fun. Just a way to fold paper and get all these fun little extra pockets. So lots of fun with that one. Another side folder pocket. Here's a taller journaling card in this one. Journaling, file folder. And inside of it, I have a corner tuck and then a space to write. Here's another of the tall pockets. We did some stamping on this one. I think I did that on the video before. Little tuck. Cute little Peter Rabbit here. Some layering, collage, journaling spots. Here's another one of those side pockets. Cute, cute. Another tuck with an envelope and a journaling card inside. Here's another one of those little pockets. These I sometimes use as belly bands and sometimes as pockets. And I've added some extra fun to it. There's a tuck. Photo mat would be fabulous there. Here's one of these used as a belly band. One of the seal edges, I guess. I don't know what you call it. Fun, just a card with a really cute belly band. Here's our huge tag. Oh, I glued it in. I glued it in good. Oh, there we go. No worries. Some journaling. Here's another one of those flip outs. We did the pocket on top with this one. We did a fun little tab here just for fun. Another sideways file folder pocket there. Here's a fun type of belly band using a circle and a tall skinny tag. Some extra papers for mats. Our last of our 3 tall pockets. I believe it's the last. We'll see. And a tag in there. Cute little bits down in here. Here's a circle that I turned into a pocket. Trying to glue things in that shouldn't be glued in. Oh, this is a pocket, and then I just did the collage right here. Some more mats and journaling spaces. Here's a file folder. We did a little pocket in this one. Right, and a belly band with a tag this time, and some collage on the front. Here is another one of these that we did. I think this is the last one of these. Lots of stamping and cute little tabs. A little pocket on a journaling page. You can journal around it, but still have a fun pocket. And I added a couple of different cards in here for journaling. A big tall journal pocket, and this is another mat. And we're at the end with a tiny pocket here and an envelope here with some coffee dyed paper for journaling inside. So anyway, that's kind of the walkthrough. I'm planning on coming through and I'll add probably, little lace here and there, maybe some extra stamping or some little tiny bits that will just kind of add those fun layers that I love. So anyway, that is it for the Easter journal. And I gotta say, this is kind of a pain to close with the ball chain here, but it's a really cute effect. So you have to just weigh the pros and cons because it's kind of a pain to shut, but it's really cute. So I think I'm gonna still give it a thumbs up because I think it's so darn cute. Isn't that cute? Anyway, Easter journal, I'll link everything below. Super fun. It came together pretty quick, and there's some other videos kind of showing some of the dimensions I used, for example, on the cover, or some of those little bits that we looked at inside. So anyway, I love Easter. I love to celebrate with you, and I hope you enjoy and get some creative juices flowing. We will talk to you later. Bye.